Hello, so ako po si Madam Pia. Ito yung reading natin for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Hindi ito magra-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, kunin mo lang yung mga message na magra-resonate para sa'yo. Kung hindi ka makarelate, okay lang yan. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. Be sure to like and subscribe. Ayan, ma-appreciate ko yung mga matagal na naka-follow sa akin. So, kung hindi ka ba naka-follow, mag-follow ka na. Ayan. This is timeless love reading. Let's start your reading. Pagpasensya mo na yung gamit kong card is medyo maano siya, luma na. So, yeah. The Seven of Swords, the Magician, and the Empress. I can see a lot of love sa sarili mo. You're taking care of yourself. The Magician. Pwedeng tinatry mong I don't know, yung iba you're connecting yourself sa spiritual side mo eh. Pwedeng yung iba may mga natututunan ka ngayon or hindi mo mapigilan na makonect yung sarili mo sa spiritual side mo because of this. Kaya lang may nagpapa-pressure sa'yo with the Seven of Swords na parang, I don't know, this could be people na judgmental or as much as possible, you are trying to hide kung ano man yung mga nasa isip mo, kung ano yung mga gusto mong mangyari, or maybe regarding your spiritual side, pwedeng hindi ka nagiging open dito sa mga taong to. So, nandun yung pagtatago mo because, I don't know, maybe dahil sa mga sasabihin nila, or natatakot ka, nape-pressure ka. Yung iba naman, maybe, masyado silang toxic. So, whoever this person is, and pwedeng yung iba marami, yung iba particular person. Medyo nandito ka sa part mo na nakikita mo yung halaga mo eh. It's just that pwedeng hindi mo nakikita ito na ma-appreciate or mapapansin itong mga taong ito. Maybe yung mga pinagagawa mo or what, you feel like hindi ito yung mga gusto nitong mga taong to, or maybe natatakot kang ma-judge nila. Whatever the case is, nandun yung sinisiklod mo yung sarili mo or you're hiding, hindi ka completely nagiging honest sa kanila kung ano man yung mga nasa thoughts mo, ano nararamdaman mo na ano nasa isip mo. Kasi pwede may mga masasabi sila at may mga sinabi na sila sa'yo dati na naging dahilan para maging ganyan yung pakitungo mo sa kanila. Okay, masyado kang matago. Anyway, pagdating sa love, sino yung person na kakonect mo? Water sign. The Four of Pentacles, Three of Wands, the Eight of Wands. Itong person na to, this person could be someone na malayo or it could be a past person. Well, namimiss ka nitong person na to. The Four of Pentacles. I feel like importante ka para sa kanya. The Eight of Wands. And I feel like pareho kayo ng sitwasyon eh. Parang feeling niya mababa din na tingin sa kanya ngayon. I feel like this person is working somewhere else na parang away sa country kung saan siya pinanganak. So, it doesn't matter kung saan. But anyway, okay lang kahit di ka nakaka-relate doon. Pero ganun, kaya parang ang baba ng tingin niya sa sarili niya. Kasi dahil nakakatulong yung, kasi nga nasa ibang place siya. So, parang dahil doon, ang baba ng tingin sa kanya ng mga taong nandun. And anyway, namimiss ka nito person na to. Emotions, please, spirit guides, angel guides. Death card, Page of Pentacles, Two of Wands, and the Six of Swords. I will not take this masyadong marami. Mm. Mm. Read over the Fool, the Ace of Cups. Nararamdaman ko rin yung reversal dito, so I will read that. King of Pentacles. One more card, please. Seven of Pentacles. By the way, nakamoy ako ng parang bagong ligo or bagong naglagay ng something sa katawan like cream or lotion. Mabango eh. This could be reading. Ace of Pentacles is here. So nakikita natin may mga plano ka sa buhay mo, and with the Page of Pentacles, may kinalaman sa money or kung paano mo mahanap yung stability mo. The Six of Swords, at if this is a past person, lalo na with the Death and Rebirth, nagkaroon ka na ng transformation eh. So, with the Six of Swords, parang naka-move on or nag-move on ka na sa kanya or dito sa person na to. The Fool is here, and the Ace of Cups. I can see a lot of love mula dito sa taong to. Kaya lang siya, parang natatakot siyang mag-take ng risk. Tapos, sabi ko kanina, naramdaman ko yung energy ng reversal dito sa Ace of Cups. So, pwedeng ang pinapakita niya is hindi yung totoong emotions niya. Kumbaga parang, I feel like minsan na niyang dinenay yung emotions niya sa'yo, which is love. Okay? Or minsan na niyang itinago, hindi niya sinabi at all. The King of Pentacles, kasi pwedeng may bantay. Now, that could be a third party. Kasi kanina, nung may nahulog ditong card, nagpapansin sa kanyang card ng Three of Swords, which is nasa may bandang gitna siya, pero napansin ko siya. And there could be a third party na involved dito sa connection na to. So, medyo mas more on tago yung emotion nitong person na to because of that. And Seven of Pentacles, tinatry niya mag-focus sa finances, money. But of course, hindi niya pa rin mapigilan na hindi ka maisip or maalala na this person loves you. Pero dinedeny niya talaga kasi yun. So, what will happen in the future for you? The Justice card is here. The High Priestess, Ace of Wands, at saka Ten of Cups. Bottom of the deck, you do have here the Six of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. The Justice card and the High Priestess. With regards sa career, kung ikaw ito na nailalabas mo na yung creativity mo, or maybe yung iba, maybe a spiritual career, maybe you're even a tarot reader, someone na nasa esoteric practices. This could be your reading, pero okay lang kahit hindi. But I can see admiration, at saka you are gaining a lot of fans, a lot of followers here. Six of Wands, tapos Three of Pentacles. This is growth para sa'yo financially because of this. Pero kung hindi naman ito, yung career mo, maybe something na may kinalaman sa mga documents, tax, loans, or death, like insurance, yan. Or maybe may kinalaman doon sa I don't know, it feels like pwedeng agent. Alam mo yon, yung nagbebenta ng mga lupa, something na may nilalakad na may hindi siya babastahin, mga documents. If you're into that, I can see success dun sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo, happiness. And ayun nga, a lot of praise mula sa ibang tao. So the Ace of Wands and the Ten of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. In the future, yung person na to nakakonect mo is, I can see a lot of love. Kaya lang andun yung ano kasi, alam mo nagpapansin yung mga net sa akin dito sa Ace of Wands, which is parang as much as possible, pinipigilan niya yung sarili niyang isipin ka. Pero alam niya eh, kasi minsan sa pag-iisip sa'yo, lalo na kung may feelings yung isang tao, hindi lang isip yung nag-iisip, minsan puso din. And ngayon, nakikita ko ngayon sa um, sa vision is that, alam mo yung story, I don't know if alam mo yung story, but I will tell the story about dun sa nagpa-transplant ng puso. So, nagpa-transplant siya, yung donor is may asawa yon, okay? And then, ang ending, yung naka-receive nung heart, no, nung donor, na-fall siya doon sa asawa noon. So, yun yung sinasabi ko, na sometimes hindi lang kasi yung utak yung nag-iisip or nakakaalala, yung puso din. And this is what I can see here. This person, kahit anong pigil niya sa sarili niya, na huwag kang isipin, na huwag kang alalahanin, pero dumadating at dumadating na yung point na yung puso niya mismo nagpapaalala sa kanya. Okay? So, yeah. So, that is it for now. Wala akong nakitang energy na may kinalaman sa'yo dito sa person na to. Maybe you are very busy or focusing on other stuff. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.